is our second video, business study. We were studying first chapter of our business study book. We have studied human activities. There we studied economic activities and non-economic activities. Today we will study about concept of business and characteristics of business. Concept of business. If you have thoroughly studied those activities, economic activities and non-economic activities, from there you can make concept of business. Concept of business refers to economic activities related to sale, purchase, production, or etc. Similar nature activities. Concept of business related to refers to economic activities related to sale, purchase, production or similar nature activities of goods and services. With the motive of earning profit. What I wrote here refers to those economic activities. Economic activities we learned earlier in first video related to sale, purchase, production or similar kind of activities of goods and service. See, today not only goods is important, services, telecom services, software services, many more services are there. With the motive of earning profit means we understand those activities by which we make profit and those related to sale, purchase, production or similar kind of nature. Those comes under the concept of business. Okay, I think it's clear. Now we jump on the next topic, characteristics of business. Characteristics, like a person having a character, someone having good character, someone having more good, excellent character, we can say. So those things tell about character of business, those called characteristics of business. Like I write here, first is it's an economic activity. Business is a economic activities. See, where we sell, purchase, production or similar kind of things we do related to goods and service. So you have to write here business having its character related to economic activities because we include sale, purchase, production and etc. of goods and service. Second is production of goods and services. Here we produce goods and service. Goods means like I am wearing a shirt. Firstly cotton, then further process to make fiber, then shirt. Services. Services may be related to banking, telecom, and etc. Like insurance. Like I am having a mill of cotton and I take insurance from a insurance company to ensure that if any mishappening happens here in my mail, so insurance company can give me some fund to recovery. Okay. Okay. Third here, sale or exchange of goods and services. So sale or exchange. Sale we understand. We produce the thing, then we sell in the market to earn profit. But what is exchange? If you have ever heard about barter system, like I am having a pen and you are having a chalk, I will say, please you give me your pen and I will give you my chalk. So exchange of goods and services. Like I am teaching you and I can say, beta, you can give me money. So we are here exchanging the services. Okay. I am making it rough. Fourth is earning profit. See, all business activities we perform, we have only one motto: earning profit. See, if a businessman is making or producing goods, and if someone is saying, give me all the things free of cost, then he will say, are you mad? I have invested lot of money to establish my business and my main motive is to earn profit. So how I can give everything you free of cost? So one more characteristics of business is earning profit. Here we establish all the activities to earn profit. So earning profit is also a characteristic. Fifth is element of risk. Element of risk. Risk, more profit. I think all are familiar about this. If I want to earn more profit, I have to take a big risk. Suppose that Anil Ambani and Mukesh Ambani, both are brothers. But Mukesh Ambani took more risk rather than Anil Ambani. He established Jio, and today we can observe Jio has a big market among all the telecom providers. So if anyone take more risk, then he can earn more profit. So risk is also a character of business. More profit, you can take more risk. Sixth is uncertainty. Uncertainty of future. Future is uncertain related to business. See, like during COVID-19, all the business are shuttered down. No one knows what will happen in future. So one more characteristic of business is uncertainty. Anishtita means what will be going in future, we don't know. So one more characteristic is uncertainty of future.